So here's the circuit diagram for the LED and the battery in parallel. And like I said, they share a single node pair. So they have a meeting point at the top and they have a meeting point at the bottom. And that's why it's called a node pair. And the current would flow clockwise from the battery through the LED to turn it on and back to the battery. Now let's look at some simple circuit analysis for this. Let's say instead you have a 3-volt battery and it is in parallel with a 2 ohm resistor. Then the current through that resistor would be equal to 3 divided by 2, that's Ohm's law, or 1.5 amps, because elements in parallel have the same voltage. But now, what if I have a 5-volt source and I have 3 resistors, 1, 2, and 3, and these resistors have a value of 1 ohm, 2 ohm, and 4 ohms. Once again, the voltage across all of them would be 5 volts because they're all in parallel, but they do not have the same current. Elements in series have the same current. Elements in parallel have the same voltage. And here's one node at the bottom, and here's a node at the top. So the current through the 1 ohm resistor is 5 divided by 1, which is 5 amps. The current through the 2 ohm resistor is 5 divided by 2, which is 2.5 amps. And the current through the 4 ohm resistor is 5 divided by 4, which is 1.25 amps. Have a STEM-tastic day.